Quit as a supervisor saying, boys, I'm done. Came back 6 months later with a wrench and a run. Down and sorting on the inkjet line. Barcodes on the boxes flying just fine. But that airline was hissing like a rattlesnake mad. Pressure built up like a secret going bad. He cracked that fitting thinking no big deal. Physics said, buddy, you about to feel. Maybe he's born with it. Maybe it's maintenance. Inkjet baptized him in poor line management. Wouldn't wipe off, wouldn't scrub, wouldn't fade. He wore that barcode ink like a permanent shade. Walking through the plant just mad as sin. Ink on his face and his ears on his chin. Hand soap failed, brake cleaner cried. Even Dawn dish soap straight up tried and died. Maybe he's born with it. Maybe it's maintenance. High pressure regret in real-time placement. Shop got quiet, then somebody said it clean. Brother, you look like you fell in Maybelline. That meme hit the group chat faster than a jam. We said, man, we're sorry. He said, yeah, I am. Then busted out a laugh and said, fair is fair. If that was on you, I'd be gasping for air. Pressure loaded, ink line prime. Union of bad decisions approved in real time. Maybe he's born with it. Maybe it's maintenance. Inkjet don't care about your confidence. One bad crack, one wrong move. Now everybody in the plant got trauma too. Now every time that airline makes that sound, we step back slow and don't play around. Cause somewhere in that shop there's still faint evidence of the night the inkjet demanded repentance.